Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to download the latest Windows 11 ISO file 64-bit from Microsoft. So let's get started. To download the latest Windows 11 ISO file 64-bit from Microsoft, follow these steps. Go to the Microsoft website using your preferred web browser, given link in the video description box below. Before downloading, make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. Download the Media Creation tool, scroll down on the Windows 11 download page and click on the Download Now button. This will start the download of the Media Creation tool, which is a utility that helps you download and create the Windows 11 installation media. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and double-click it to run the Media Creation tool. In the Media Creation tool, accept the license terms and choose your preferred language for Windows 11. On the next screen, select the ISO file option and click Next. Choose the location on your computer to save the Windows 11 ISO file. Ensure you have enough storage space. Click on the Save button to start downloading the Windows 11 ISO file. The process might take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you will have the latest Windows 11 ISO file 64-bit saved on your computer. That's it for now. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. We hope that you enjoyed the content and found it both informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this one. Until next time, keep learning, growing, and spreading positivity.